Can you hold this for me? I'll use that later. Ooh, steroids. Can I put this in him? Ooh. What did I do? I just wanted to give my steroids. Okay, let's just put in this cheek. Yeah. You don't want the drugs? Alright. Okay, let's get down to chop, chop. Beautiful. Is that good? This is hard. Okay. What? And it was going so well. Okay, why does that heart look like that? That's like gelatin. She looks pretty good. Oh, I want to try this. Let's put this one here. This one here. I always wanted to do this. Talk to me. How does this work? Stab. What? Okay, let's get that out of here. What is this? That didn't work. Hammer time. Well, I'm killing him so badly, I'm getting annoyed. Okay. Why isn't this way? Oh. Come on. Yay. Why is it flashing? Oh, ooh. Oh, I turned it off. Let's see how he's doing. Is he dead? Why isn't it showing? What? And it was going so well.